Welcome to our comprehensive course on web development using HTML and CSS. This course is divided into 19 chapters, each containing multiple lessons to help you master the subject. We have also included 2 bonus chapters. The first is an introduction to the course, providing an overview of what you can expect to learn, and the second is an end of course project where you will have the opportunity to apply the lessons in a real world setting. Throughout this course, we'll be covering a list of topics which include the structure, text, lists, links, images, tables, forms, flash video and audio, documents, color, boxes, layouts, HTML5 layout, process and design, and then practical information. Then we'll now do our end of course project. Whether you are a beginner or have some experience in the field, you will find valuable information and insight in every chapter. We have designed this course to be easy to follow and understand, with clear explanations and plenty of examples. We are confident that by the end of the course, you will have a thorough understanding of web development using HTML and CSS and the skills you need to succeed. We understand that some of our students prefer to learn in small, manageable chunks. With that in mind, we have divided our chapters into short lessons. Each lesson will focus on a specific topic and will be easy to complete in one sitting. After you have completed a lesson, you will be able to move on to the next one. And don't worry if you prefer to learn by watching the full chapter. We will also be uploading the full chapter for your reference after we have uploaded all the short lessons within the chapter. We are excited to continue sharing our lessons with you. To make sure you don't miss any of our new content, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. That way, you will be the first to know when we post new lessons. And if you are enjoying our content, please like and share with your like-minded friends and family so they can benefit from our lessons too. So without further ado, let's dive in and get started on our journey to mastering web development using HTML and CSS. Thank you for your support, and we will see you in the next chapter.